Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today I want to show you all of my American cars I have collected. So yeah, let's begin. At first we have from the Pearl and Chrome series the Ford Sierra Cosworth, a really nice car. And from the same set we have the Custom 77 Dodge van. And why is this in a blister? Because this car is among many collectors known as the Chase, because it has the inverted color scheme to all the other ones. Okay. Next up we have the Buick Regal GNX, I think. Regal GNX, yes. Okay. And we have another Buick, the Buick Riviera. This is actually a new for 2025 casting. Next up, we have a 1968 Dodge Charger. And then we have the famous 1970 Dodge Charger from the first Fast and Furious movie. And of course, is this not the only Charger from the Fast and Furious movie? Here we have the Ice Charger. Yes. Let's continue with Fast and Furious. Here we have the Ford Escort RS 1600. Then we have the Chevelle SS. And then we have a beautiful Ford Mustang. I really like this green color. Okay, before I continue, quick reminder. As in all the other parts of this series, I am not able to portray all cars on this table. They all fit definitely, but not in the range of my camera. So I'm sorry for that, but be sure that I am gonna show every car that I have. Okay, next up we have some Dodge Challengers. I think they are called Challengers. Yes, Dodge Challengers. This one is a SRT Demon. And I think this one is a base one. Yes, this is a base Dodge Charger. Really nice. And of course we don't only have Hotwheels in the mix, but Majorette as well, with another Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Really nice. And of course this model has openable doors and interior we can look at. Really nice. Okay. Over here have we the 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Really nice. And yeah, I'm gonna spoil so much. We have almost 60 cars today I have to go through. So yeah, this is gonna be another very long video, so I apologize in the beginning. Grab your popcorn, grab your soda or water or whatever you would like to drink, and lean back and enjoy. Next up we have the Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. Of course I have it loose as well, and I like this blue color a bit more than the matte black. but the matte black would be probably more realistic for a race car. Which you would see on the track, I should say. Okay. Let's stay with Cadillac, shall we? Here we have the Cadillac ATS VR. Oh. This is from the, I think, Neon Speedsters Silver Series. This one is a mainline, but I don't know from when. So, yeah. Really nice cars. Okay. Oh gosh. Should we do the Ford Mustangs? Let's do the Ford Mustangs. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna need to do multiple waves, I am gonna say. All the next few cars are gonna be Ford Mustangs or Mustang Shelbys. So, yeah. For Mustang Shelby GT500. Mustang. This one is actually from Matchbox and has, I think, oh no, CQ actually, and has the openable hood. Okay. Another Shelby GT500 and a third Shelby GT500, which I have sealed as well. And here we have a 2007 Ford Mustang in this beautiful Falcon livery. Okay. Any more Mustangs? Yes. Okay. Seems like the last Mustang for now. The Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Really nice. Okay. Oh no, one last Mustang I have. Another Ford Mustang, I think Boss 302. No, another Shelby GT500. So, yeah, beautiful car. Okay. Let's do Corvettes as next. At first, we have a Corvette C1. And then a Corvette C7 C06. Then, of course, we have a C4 as well. Not the bomb, of course, not the explosive, but the Corvette C4. Then we have a Corvette C7, or from the Silver Series. Actually a C8 or as a race version. Nice. And then we have another C6 and a Corvette C01 convertible. Really nice. So, did I miss any? No, I don't think so. But I actually missed one Mustang, the Ford Mustang Mark I. Okay, let's get them all lined up somehow. I know I'm flying through this video, but I sadly don't have very much time, so... But I wanna do this video, I wanna show you them, and before I forget, I'm making this a little bit quicker. Okay. We already had some Mustangs, we had some Mustang Shelbys, So why not some clean Sharpies as well? I like this same acrylic very much. This blue one is I am actually in love with. I take this one over this one at any time. So yeah, really nice. Then we have from Matchbox my only Tesla in my collection, the Tesla Roadster. I'm actually not a big fan of Tesla at all. I have this one in my collection because I got it as a kind of Christmas present a few years ago from my mother, and yeah, because of that it stays in the collection. Next up we have the SRT Viper GTS R. Really beautiful. And if we're all already talking about Vipers, why not continue with the Viper RT10. And some more Vipers as well. At first we have the Dodge Viper GTS R. And then we have the Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR, which I'm actually in love. I love this casting very much. Okay. Now we have a more unusual car, the Singer 21C. I had this one in blue, but the blue one I gave to a friend because he likes the blue one, and I got this red in a trade. Really nice. Then we have a custom Chevy Love. Really nice. And then we have the 83 Chevy Silverado, and this is the base version of the Super Treasure Hunt of last case of 2024. Okay. Next up we have the Mercury Eliminator, I think. Mercury Cougar Eliminator. I like this paint very much. Okay. No, where is the name? Okay. No name, but I think this is a Dodge Daytona. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments. And here we have a 2016 Copo Camaro SS. Really nice. And then for our already five last cars, sorry, for today. These are all only Ford GTs, but from different ages. At first, I'd like to start with the oldest one, the Ford GT40. Really nice. Then we have the 2017 Ford GT from the Hotwheels mainline. Really nice. And then we have 3 times the Ford GT Race. Really nice. I like this one actually the most, and this one is a premium. So if we count it out, from these two, I like the green one a bit better. Okay. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you liked it, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we see each other in the next video. Until then, have a very wonderful time and goodbye.